अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर फेलोज़, मैं हूं मोहम्मद सलमान सलीम और आज हम बात करने लगे हैं अपने नए टॉपिक पर जिसका नाम है को एजुकेशन। को एजुकेशन का जो टॉपिक है ये आईएसएसबी में ग्रुप डिस्कशन में दिया जाता है और इसकी वजह ये है कि इस टॉपिक पर हर कैंडिडेट की अपनी एक राय होती है। कई कैंडिडेट इसके हक़ में बात करते हैं और कई इसकी मुखालफत में बात करते हैं। तो आप जो भी बात करें आपके पास वैलिड पॉइंट होने चाहिए, लेकिन मेरी राय यही है कि आप इसके हक़ में बात करें और इसके जो पॉजिटिव पहलू हैं उनको सामने लेकर आएँ। तो चलते हैं जेंटलमैन अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। टॉपिक का आगाज़ करने से पहले जेंटलमैन मैं आपको बताता चलूँ, जब भी आप अपने टॉपिक का आगाज़ करें तो काइंडली उसका नेम लाजमी बताएं ताकि सुनने वालों को पता हो कि आप किस मौजू पे बात कर रहे हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जेंटलमैन, माय टॉपिक इज़ को एजुकेशन। Gentlemen, we all know very well that what is co-education. Actually, co-education means giving education to boys and girls in the same institution. Co-education has lots of benefits, and the uppermost benefit of co-education is that it gives you a lot of confidence. It removes your shyness and it gives such a potential so that you can face your upcoming challenges in your life. It provides a platform so that you can enhance your personality and become a well-personality personality. So, in fact, students are the future of its nation. We have to go in different departments of our country to serve it. But have you imagined that if you are lacking in confidence, if you are shying while dealing with other people, so what will happen? It's mean we are not well prepared. So gentlemen, we have to move forward and work on those things in which we are lacking. Like we have to work on our education, we have to improve our skills, we have to get experience, and the most important thing that we also pay attention to our confidence level, because without confidence your all skills is nothing, but if you have confidence it's mean you have the power to impress the others. So that's why gentlemen, co-education gives you such a confidence. Now the second thing is that our leader Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who is our founder, has give full stress to our education. He told us that education is a matter of life and death. The world is moving so fast that if we do not educate ourselves, then we not only left behind but also finished up. And the second most important thing that our Quaid said to us related to women is that no nation can rise unless the women of that nation work side by side with you. It's mean that we have to get education, we have to enhance our personality, we have to move parallel by knowing our limits and responsibility and boundaries so that we can perform well, we can work for the prosperity and development of our nation. So co-education is not bad, but the bad effects due to co-education can be removed by our will. So we have to pay attention on these things. So this is my point of view, gentlemen. Hope you like it. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.